Fusion Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
My dear, I welcome you to heat energy. When we were discussing energy, we talked about heat, and we said it's an internal energy which can be transferred from a hot body to a cold one, thereby causing change in temperature. Heat is a form of energy called thermal energy that is normally transferred from one body to another as a result of temperature difference between the two bodies. Now, sometimes we misplace heat and temperature. You ask people to define heat and they will define temperature. Let's separate them. Heat first is a form of energy. Temperature is a measure of degree or coldness or hotness of a body. Heat flows from a body of higher temperature to a body of lower temperature. Temperature does not flow. Heat cannot be directly measured with any instrument rather than calculation, while temperature is measured by an instrument called thermometer. Unit of heat is in joules. Unit of temperature is in Kelvin, degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. Heat can do some work. Temperature can do no work. We now come to measurement of temperature. Temperature can be measured by an instrument called thermometer, and there are various thermometers with different thermometric substances and their properties. For example, mercury in glass thermometer. The thermometric substance inside it is mercury, and a question can come forth to you this way: why do we prefer mercury to alcohol in thermometer making? The truth remains that the cohesive force of mercury is strong, so it cannot wet glass. And the physical property of the thermometric substance, as indicated on the slide, in mercury, increases in volume of mercury with increase in temperature. Gas thermometer. The thermometric substance is gas. Pressure of gas at constant volume or volume of gas at constant temperature. That's the property. Thermoelectric thermometer. The thermometric substance is current flowing. One junction of two dissimilar metals is heated. Resistance thermometers. Resistance of a metal is a thermometric substance, and also increase in the resistance of a metal wire when the wire is heated. That means resistance increases as the temperature increases. Now I want to discuss some equations very relevant to us in measurement of temperature. First, I would like to discuss the conversion of Kelvin to Celsius. In converting Kelvin or Celsius to Kelvin, we have that the temperature of Kelvin scale is equal to temperature of Celsius scale plus 273, where 273 is the zero level of the Kelvin scale. That is the freezing point or the melting point of the Kelvin scale. While in converting Fahrenheit to Celsius, we have the equation which I call UDIS equation, F minus 32 divided by 9 equal to C all over 5. This will give you the sound conversion you want. I would like you to work out one for me now. Convert for me 40 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius. When you're through, join me on the other arm in thermometer formula. Every question that has to do with thermometer and thermometric substances and its calculation can be taken care of with this equation: T equal to xt minus x naught all over x 100 minus x naught times 100. Xt there simply means the parameter at the temperature in question, while x naught is the parameter at freezing point or melting point, while x 100 is the parameter at boiling point. We will do the remaining parts concerning heat when we move into the measurement of heat, and that is the next place I would like you to come over. But before then, take a thorough study of heat and go back to energy and study the conversion of heat through conduction, convection, and radiation. Remember we said in conduction there is both heat exchange and particle exchange, while convection in conduction we have heat exchange but no particle exchange. Example, when an electric iron touches your body. In convection there is heat exchange and particle exchange. For example, mixing hot water and cold water. Then radiation, there is no reason for contact, while convection and conduction both has contact before the heat can be transferred.